Just coming in, Acharya ji, मैं आपको रोक रही हूँ. अभी तस्वीरें आनी शुरू हो गई हैं. The Prime Minister there taking the holy dip. There are the pictures now coming in of Prime Minister Narendra Modi at the Sangam, where he is taking the holy dip. As far as the puja that is also taking place, the argh that is now he is offering to the Lord Sun, that is also taking place, as the pictures of the Prime Minister at the Sangam. We saw pictures as he was being accompanied by the UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath amid tight security, and there is a crowd there, a significant crowd there behind him, as they are now standing to watch the Prime Minister today taking the holy dip. And this is something that he's never shied away from. As far as his Hindu identity, his faith is also concerned, he's always been a proponent as far as putting forward his beliefs, his faith, his astha. And today he's doing the same. As far as Mr. Rajagopalan was saying, that he's praying for Vishwa Shanti, for global peace, but also when it comes to the peace and development of his country, which is India, which is Bharat. And right now, Akanksha, the pictures now coming in of Prime Minister Narendra Modi taking the holy dip, the prayers that have also been taking place, and of course, a sea of devotees that can be also seen behind him.
Well, absolutely, the sea of devotees that we can see behind him, that is the Sangam Ghat, and there are the visuals of the Prime Minister taking the holy dip, offering arghya to the Lord Sun, and also crowd there standing behind him to watch him take the holy dip. Now, Prime Minister had earlier said that Mahakumbh is the Mahayagya of unity, and every Indian who takes a dip in this confluence of Sangam represents a beautiful picture of Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat, and that is what we are witnessing in the visuals right now. The Prime Minister taking the holy dip. Now they said that taking the holy dip in Sangam, that is the confluence of Ganga, Yamuna and Saraswati, purifies one's souls. It attains, helps them attain moksha, liberates them from the cycle of life and death. So there in the visuals we can see the Prime Minister along with the Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath taking the holy dip. And after this, what we are learning is that they will do certain rituals in Ganga, and after that they will do the Ganga Aarti as well. This is as far as the plan of the Prime Minister is concerned. So he had arrived in Prayagraj around 10:30, and now 1 hour later he is taking the holy dip. He'll stay here for another 45 minutes is what we are learning, and then he will head back, as we were mentioning, that this is just to make sure that people who have come to Prayagraj, and there behind him you can see sea of devotees, they do not face any issue, and that is why VIP Ghat has been made to make sure that the VIP official comes, they take the holy dip and head back, and there are no barricading in the Mahakumbh area, and the devotees are able to take the holy dip seamlessly. And that is why in the visuals we can see the Prime Minister there with the Chief Minister taking the holy dip in the Sangam, that is the confluence of Ganga, Yamuna and Saraswati. In the last 24 days, 40 crore people have already taken the holy dip. The target was 45 crore, and it seems that by the next Snan, that is on February 12th, that target will be achieved. So very, very significant visit of the Prime Minister in Prayagraj. He's currently taking the dip, and after that he will do rituals as he did in 2019. That time also the Chief Minister was by his side. He will do the rituals with the help of the saints there at the Sangam Ghat, and after that he will do the Ganga Aarti. That will culminate his visit to the Mahakumbh area. He will not go or enter the Mahakumbh area so that people do not face any issue. He will not go to Akshay-Vat or Hanuman Mandir, because for that he will have to enter the Mahakumbh Nagar, and that will for that his security will have to ensure that there are barricades. But he did not want that. He wanted that people and the devotees who are coming to Prayagraj to take the holy dip, they do not face any sort of hindrance, any sort of barricading or any sort of restriction, and hence after doing the Ganga Aarti he will head back to the national capital.
And the importance there that is now considered, especially when it comes to taking 3 dips at a time, you know, in the holy river Ganga. This also has its own important rituals and importance that is also given in a way that when you are worshipping Ma Ganga, 3 dips or more than that is kind of an essential ritual that one needs to follow while taking the Astha ki dubki, Akanksha.
Well, absolutely. One takes 3 to 5 to 7 to 11 dips in the Sangam. That is the confluence of Ganga, Yamuna and Saraswati, as I was mentioning. And it is said that it purifies one's souls. It liberates them from the cycle of life and death. And in the visuals, we can see the Prime Minister there taking the holy dip along with the Chief Minister. And now in the last 24 days, several high-profile officials had come to the Mahakumbh Nagar. The first one to take the holy dip was definitely the Chief Minister. Then after that, in the last week of January, he came along with his entire cabinet of ministers here. All of them came here, they took the holy dip, and after that, Amit Shah along with his family was here, and now the Prime Minister along with the Chief Minister today on the 24th day of the Mahakumbh Mela, taking a holy dip, taking dips in the Sangam where the Ganga, Yamuna and Saraswati converge. After that, they will do rituals. He also gave Arghya to the Lord's Son. So this is how he is doing several rituals. He is praying for the countrymen. He's praying for one Ek Bharat, Shresth Bharat is what we're learning, because as I mentioned the last time he was here, he addressed the public. He spoke a lot about the Mahakumbh Mela, the significance and why people should come here. But the focus was how the Mahakumbh unites the people of the country, how at Mahakumbh the difference between the language, the caste, the states, it all disappears. And this was the main message of the Prime Minister when he had come here, and he had said that every Indian who takes dip in the Sangam river, it represents a beautiful picture of Ek Bharat and Shresth Bharat. He in fact also spoke about the past neglect of the Mahakumbh Mela. During that address, he spoke about how that happened because there was a disconnect between the past governments and the tradition and the culture of the country. So he spoke about the past neglect.
But previously, as far as you know, last year, early last year, that we talk of the Prime Minister's visit to Ayodhya for the Pran Pratishtha for Ram Mandir, that was a defining spiritual moment, much like his participation today in the Mahakumbh. But of course, that only means that he is reinforcing India's spiritual and cultural heritage. Of course, this is a moment that inspires hundreds and millions of devotees.
Well, absolutely, and he had also called Mahakumbh a Mahayagya of unity. Last year, at the same time, around January, we saw the similar pictures from Ayodhya. I was also there. We got to witness the Prime Minister there as well. And 1 year later, now at the Mahakumbh, now we're witnessing that a new history is being written on the land of Prayagraj. Mahakumbh Mela, this right there, you can see in the visuals, this is Mahakumbh Mela, that crores and crores people come to every 12 years. In fact, this is the largest religious gathering in the entire world. In the last 24 days, close to 40 crore people have already taken a holy dip here. Now this number can go beyond 40 crore by the end of the Mahakumbh Mela, that is on February 26. So very, very significant Mahakumbh Mela. This is happening after 12 years, and most importantly, this is happening after